Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Abia bought 29 books and 23 toys from the market. If the price of each book and each toy is DHS 93 and DHS 92 respectively. So DHS is the currency, we can call it dirham also. So the money Abia paid for the books in dirham we have to find out. So it is given that the price of one book is equal to DHS 93. So using unitary method, what we can find out here is the price of 29 book. So the price of 29 books will be equal to 29 multiplied by the price of one book, that is DHS 93. So if we multiply this, we'll get 2697 dirham. So this is the price of 29 books. Hence we can say that the money that Abia paid for the books will be equal to this value, 2697 DHS. So this is the answer.